Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, RHC Engineering. And for today's tutorial, I will be discussing about the lat bearing platter version 1.3. If I am not mistaken, yung version 1 natin is only 4 points or 5 points or 7 points. Then version 1.2 natin is 14 points. Dito guys, sa version 1.3 natin is unlimited points. So kahit ilang points pa yan na flat bearing ninyo or lote ninyo, pwede natin i-plot dito. Then, we can get the approximate area, then the total length, the total perimeter, the perimeter of your lot. Okay, as you can see, ito yung interface natin. Makikita ninyo ito yung bearing data natin. Then, nag-input ako dito ng coordinates na lang in case na kailangan ninyo. Then, if you want to subscribe and support our channel, click lang ninyo yan. Then also in our FB page. So kapag mag-insert kayo ng data, for example, may existing na data na dito. So kailangan niyo i-delete yan. Of course, kailangan natin mag-insert na data. So click lang ninyo yung button na yan. Then ito yung makikita ninyong interface, yung user form. So kailangan natin nag-insert ng data based sa requirement ninyo. Then, meron tayong button dito na insert. Ito yung pag-insert ng data. Delete. So, kailan lang ninyo i-select. Pwede single selection lang or multiple selection. Then, delete. Madi-delete na yung data na yan. Then, we have here view graph. So, ito. I-view nyo yung graph na na-create due to sa actual data na in-input ninyo. Then, meron tayong lot area. Ito yung area na yan. Then, meron tayong perimeter. And of course, kailangan natin bumalik dun sa data if you want. Pwede naman din na doon ka lang sa graph na sheet, then mag-insert ng table para makita mo yung update ng graph. Pero if you want na nandun sa data, okay lang din. Click lang yung home. Okay, without further ado, let's insert a new sample data, new bearing lot bearing data sa nanakot sa internet. So ito, highlight ko na lang yan, then delete. Bali, hindi pala niyo ma-delete yung point 1 natin kasi ito yung reference ko at 00. Okay? So, don't worry, hindi niyo yan ma-delete kasi protected yan. Okay. So, from this left side data, insert na natin. Ibig sabihin, yung line 1 to 2 natin is ito daw yung bearing natin. 30, south 32 degrees and 70 minutes west na may distance na 22.02, 04. So, input lang natin yan, south, 32, 17, then west. Then yung distance. Then click insert. As you can see, na-input na siya dito sa data natin. Then, automatically nakalculate niya yung coordinates from the 00 point. So, ito na yung x and y distance. Then, ayan. So, insert ko na lang yung next, 36 degrees, 25, west, then 10. Insert. Then north, 15 degrees and 47 minutes. Then west, 5. Insert. Then north, 73 degrees, 7 minutes. And east tayo. Then 19.95 yung distance and insert. So tapos na tayo. Pwede ninyo i-view na yung graph kung gusto niyo. So click lang yung view graph. Then ito yung approximate na shape ng lot ninyo. Then if you want to get, yan, pwede na yan i-zoom in, zoom out kung gusto ninyo. So kung gusto ninyo kung makuha yung area, just click the lot area. Then ito na yung approximate area niya. 152.6 square meter or 1.153, ganyan. Then if you want to get the perimeter, the total distance of your lot, so 56.99 meters siya. Okay? Then punta tayo sa home, then mag-ano tayo ng another sample bearing. So click ko na yan, then delete. Yung mga maiksi muna ito. Okay, so insert ko na. This is south, 65.28. Yes, this is 199.71. Okay, ito pala guys, makikita ninyo, kasi diba sobrang haba. I'm sure this is the benchmark distance only. So dapat mag-start tayo dito sa 1 to 2, 1-2. So it should be north, 90 degrees, 5 minutes, and west, 15.33. Then, although pwede naman ninyo i-plot yan, pero parang ano yan, big, big dipper, may big dipper siya. Kasi nga sobrang haba. Then south, 87, 18, west, then 0.88. Then south, 87, 18 minutes, east, and 4.49. Then south, 19 degrees, 8 minutes, east, and 13.3. Then the last one is 70 degrees and 54 minutes west and 5 meters in distance. Then view graph, boom. So ito na yung graph natin guys. So bali, yung approximate area niya is 71.37 square meter. Then perimeter niya is 38.98 meter. So mani-mani no. So highlight natin, delete ulit. Then punta tayo dito sa medyo marami-rami. Ito. So sabi ko pa nga, unlimited unlimited points guys. Hindi na kayo mamroblema kung madami yung points ninyo. So ngayon gagawin ko, gusto ko dun sa graph lang mag-repair. Para makita ko yung adjustment ng graph. Ito yung process. So at point 1 or 1-2 line, that is north, 18 degrees, and 8 minutes east, and 102.08. Then insert. So ito yung first line. Then para naman sa second line, 13 degrees north and 35 minutes east. Then 152.28. Ayan. Then third is north 30 degrees and 37 minutes east. Then 250.7. Next is north 89 degrees and 51 minutes. East then 150. Sir. Then south 28 degrees and 0 minutes east. Then 85.61. Next will be south 4 degrees and 59 minutes west east siya guys. It's 224.58. Then next, that is north 44 degrees. 88 pala, sorry. 88 degrees and 52 minutes west. Then 119.55 meters. Next, south 9 degrees and 38 minutes west. 50.01 meters. Next is south 58 degrees and 51 minutes west. which is 91.43 yung distance niya. Then next is 31 south 31 degrees and 24 minutes west. Then 104.05. Then insert. Next is south 79 and 17 minutes west. Then 148.48 yung distance. Then insert. Then the last one will be north 0 degrees and 39 minutes west, which is 51.37. Boom, bula. Pero as you can see, makikita ninyo, hindi siya talaga close, no? Ayan o, may ano siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi corrected yung bearing ninyo na ginamit. Yung bearing na to. So, kailangan siya i-correct pa yan ng geodetic engineer or yung nung surveyor. Kasi nga may ano pa, may error pa dyan. Pero approximately ito na. Ito na yung shape na natin. Then click lot area. So pumapatak siya na mayroong 120,285.78 square meter. So, malaki. Malaki to, no? Sobrang laki. Then, if you want to get the perimeter distance, it's 1,530.14 meters. Then, punta tayo din sa home. So, ito yung data natin, guys. So, pwede ninyo i-edit yan, i-delete din. Enter na naman ng bago if nagkamali kayo. So, yun lang guys, ang tutorial natin ngayon. It's very useful. It's very useful para sa mga nag-survey. Para mayroon na kayong approximate shape, then also the lot area and the perimeter distance. Okay? Yun lang guys, and thank you for supporting my channel, for subscribing and like, of course, sa pag-share sa mga videos na na-upload natin. And if you want to join and donate to our YouTube channel, click lang ninyo yung join button. We have two labels. Level 1 para sa donate pang kape, and level 2 para sa mga ano natin, mga tools na ginagamit. Then this one is I will give it to you for free guys. Para mga subscribers natin. Palike na lang nitong video na to. Okay? It's a big help para sa channel natin. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. God bless.